The growing risks like unauthorized access, data breaches, and ransomware attacks have put the anxieties of cloud administrators through the roof. As cloud operations constantly deal with sensitive business data, companies need to make sure their security solutions are robust against potential vulnerabilities. The question is, how do organizations assess the robustness of their cloud operations security? A comprehensive security solution for cloud operations needs to pass assessments at various fronts, including API security, network security, and user access control. Zymr CloudOps services have helped companies proactively identify potential security risks thanks to their security assessment and analysis playbook. Zymr has developed a set of well-defined assessments to unearth the security vulnerabilities in cloud-scale operations. Companies can leverage Zymr's CloudOps services to integrate tools like AWS Inspector, Nmap, and OWASP Zap for thorough cloud security penetration testing. Zymr's automation expertise enables remedy prioritization, automated assessments, and proactive monitoring for multi-cloud and hybrid cloud infrastructure. If you too wish to assess your cloud operations security, contact our CloudOps experts today.